This is my favorite Canva hack, hands down. So once you have your completed design, this is my very favorite texture to put over literally everything, and it makes your graphic look 10 times better. You're gonna type in poster, texture, under elements, and you're gonna go to photos, and you are gonna choose any one of these cool looking photos that have a poster on it. Bring it over here, make it fill up your screen. Then you're gonna send it back a little bit. I'm using Command left bracket for this. Now you're gonna click on the poster, go up here to this transparent button, and then you're gonna drag it maybe to about 25. And it gives you that cute little poster look, and it makes your graphic look 10 times better. Which one do you like better? Okay, so if you're trying to get this poster effect and you don't have a Canva Pro version, you have two workarounds of how you can get there. The first thing you're gonna do is search on Google for poster texture. And then you go over here to images and literally look at all of these. Totally free. Take any one that you want, click on it, and then you're gonna wanna right click and save it. Then from here, all you're gonna do is go back to your Instagram post. We're gonna upload that picture. And once it's uploaded, we're simply gonna click on this and put it on our screen and do the same thing as before and just drag it so it fills up the full image. Now that it's on there, we can Command left bracket to send it back a little bit. Then we go up here to transparent. We're gonna take that down and look, 38 is where I'm leaving it. Look how good that looks. Just like this one. I actually might like this one more because it has more texture. Now, the second workaround for this, you're gonna download an app that's called Tezza. It looks like this, okay? So it looks like this in your app store. And then on there, you can actually upload posters. That one is a paid subscription, but I think you can do like a 7-day free trial to see if you like it, and it's not that expensive. And all you would do is open up the Tezza app, and then you're gonna choose the photo that you want to add something to. You hit the plus sign in the bottom right corner. Then you're going to choose your image. So I'm just gonna choose this, and then you double tap on it, and you go down here to the bottom and you click on this little lined looking thing, and you're gonna scroll all the way to the right and click on poster, and every one of these is gonna give you that poster look. And number 1 or number 2 is normally my go-to for those. Hope that helps.